Alright, if you're watching, guys, this is not the evening, this is the morning, and the reason we're up so early is we're off to Fish Wharf to catch the best of the fish, or rather to buy the best of the fish that they've caught. Oh, well, here we are at Fish Wharf, and as you see, Nari's carrying a bucket. We're armed with a bucket. Man with bucket seeks fish. And despite the early hour, it's as you can see, it's really lively. Shark. Hammerhead, little snapper. You're going to splash. What are these? Croco. What's the big flatty?
This one? Moonshine.
Moonshine. Moonshine, what a fabulous name. Oh yeah. What's your name, sir? Thank you. What fish is this one, sir?
Kingfish and curry.
Kingfish.
You know what here? Watch me. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, hey. What you say? I'll tell you that. You don't want to hear me.
Thank you for your time, sir, and thanks for sharing your skill. That is one very skilled chap.
Viking on them?
Viking.
Viking on them?
I'm more a Celt, but yeah.
Viking on them still there?
Huh?
The Viking on them still up there in North Wales?
No. It's more Wales is quite nationalist, you know. That's pretty. Skipjack, yeah?
Skipjack. Where? No, here. No, Charles. I'll get that for him. Hey, that's skipjack. North Wales, man.
You're working hard at filleting.
Yeah, gotta work. For them.
You do that with great skill, sir. It's a pleasure to watch. Okay, sir. And this is the filleted skipjack.
Fried dry. I know what you call it, fried dry. Fried dry.
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
Spoon. Spoon International.
Spoon International.
Sorry for whatever inconvenience.
Spoon International Seafood.
Right now, North Wales. I'm going North Wales.
Alright.
North Wales. So how them Viking going up on that one?
Alright.
Viking.
Viking.
Tall white man on them.
Some handsome fish.
Yeah, right now. Rakando. Rakando.
What's this one?
Catfish.
That's a catfish. That's a freshwater fish.
And river fish too.
Alright.
What's up? What's in the
This is Thailand. It says in English it says no spicy, no eat.
Oh, if it's not spicy, you not eat.
Yeah.
And the pepper.
I love the pepper. I was born in England.
England.
Yeah, but my heart is Trini.
So you know Steve Paul's brother. No Steve Paul's?
Who?
England. English Rasta.
Yeah.
English Rasta. Steve Paul's and them brothers. Music.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of Rastas in England now. A lot.
Be all over the world, man.
When I went to school, more than half the kids in my class were Jamaican.
Praise God, praise God.
Yeah.
Praise God. Praise God. They want us to go and look for the knowledge.
Can't believe the speed you work with that. That's incredible. Watch this, guys. Watch this man. Watch his hands.
You want to work it anytime you forget? Workable, man.
Unbelievable speed. Yeah. With a chef's knife as well. Do you prefer to work with a chef knife?
Huh?
You prefer to work with a chef knife, yeah?
Yeah, this is why you cook knife. Very good. I look at you. them first. Even after the holiday now. As I reach 61 now, I'm trying differently. Yeah, I'll do a box here.
Last time, it was perfect.
All right, I'll come out.
Yeah, no feeling.
Sir, thank you for your time and your skill.
Alright, you enjoy yours.
Cheers now.
You enjoy yours.
Thank you.
Enjoy yours.
That's lovely.
Hey boy, really take up a big salmon and hold it like so the man to go down with you now. He was telling me to jump there.
Thank you. So we stopped at this pie van and I got a conch pie. Do you mind if I film the menu, sir? If I record the menu? It's good. Thank you. So we stopped at this pie man and there's his menu, and down on the menu is a conch pie. I've never seen this before. So we thought we'd have to go for the conch pie, and I got that with medium pepper, and that's how gorgeous it looks. Really well stuffed, and the pastry is really gorgeous on it. So I'm rather impressed with that. What do you think of the pies? It's real good, eh?
Epic. It had a bit of aloo or potato and the conch. And
Yeah.
you filled it up with conch.
It's really well filled up with conch. So Taste of Trini approved, so it's got to be good. So this is the guy we bought the wonderful conch pies from, and he's open from 4:30 in the morning. Is that every day? Every day, 4:30 in the morning until about 10 o'clock to serve the public and marketeers. And I have to say, guys, boys and girls, this conch pie is really something else. Really stuffed full of delicious filling and incredibly tasty. I took mine with medium pepper this time because I wanted to get the full flavour of the conch, and I'm very impressed. The pastry's really nice too. So if you're down Fish Wharf, San Fernando, make sure you call at this guy and get yourself some awesome conch pie. This PTSC is the bus terminal, and this is where people come to wait for the bus. So it's a Trini dawn, and we have the little egrets collecting on that pontoon. And there's a pelican on the stern of that boat right there. He's just checking out his surroundings. And there's another pelican over this way. Where is he? There he is, look. Mr. Pelican. And just to give you some idea of the industry of this remarkable fish wharf. So we're walking back with our haul. And what was it we bought? What did we buy? Cocoa. That one.
Yeah, and shrimp.
And some shrimp. And we're all rather satisfied, having had a really nice breakfast of those delicious conch pies. Highly recommended. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have a haddock when the boat comes in. Sorry about the noise, but laundry must happen. That washer's going constantly with all the family here. And me, of course. So we're going to cook up the cashew fruit into a chow before it gets any older. And it's going to be cooked on this traditional Indian stove. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.